Okay, so this is gonna be not ow, but ew. Stick my hand in the nail polish. But I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the knives that I ordered. This order cost me just under $30 because of the sale and discount codes. Oh yeah. Alright, item 1 of 3. Oh yes. Ooh, this is the live blade one. Alright, this is the live blade. I'm gonna put that one away. So that means that this should be the trainer. Tis. Yeah, nice spring latch. It's really nice. It's a little bit stiffer than I would imagine. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna move on from that. To the free thing that I got along with the order. Mini Balisong. Not very sure. I'm actually gonna take the keychain off. It's cute. I'm gonna try to do a Zen rollover. I don't think it's gonna work. Nope, way too small. I'm gonna take this trainer back out. I'd be very intimidated by this if someone walked up to me and yeah, it's really smooth. It's got a very stiff feel though. This is the live blade right there. Definitely not going to use this for a little bit because like I don't want to cut my fingers off. I'm going to set that aside. But the trainer feels heavier than the live blade. So yeah, really good looking knives. Move my light. There you go. That's it open. This is closed. Just It's really great looking. Though I did want the Galaxy skin. Yeah, these are CSGO inspired, by the way. But now that I have these, I'm going to be uploading, well, me and my friend, we're going to be uploading how-to videos. So, let me show you a quick draw real quick. Just up, over, palm of your hand. Wait, wrong hand. No, wrong handle. This is definitely going to take some getting used to because of the curve. But safe handle, you want to hold between these two. And you go up, put your fingers down, go down, open up your thumb, and up. And that's quick draw opening. And then to close it, you're going to have your blade facing down and go up so that the back of the blade is resting on the back of your hand. Down over your knuckles and then into your hand. Now, I'd have to say, this thing, it's very, very fascinating to look at it. It's very shiny. Something you'd probably give your kid, you know, if you ever want them to become a Balisong extraordinaire. Though the latch is very, very crummy. Like, latch just drops. Speaking of latch drops, other way. This thing does not have enough momentum. I'll show you the latch drop with this. This is definitely going to have to be broken in. It's still really stiff. Yeah, just, I don't know, it just feels weird. Doesn't exactly feel the best either. I keep grabbing the wrong handle. To remember that the inside handle, the inside of the scoop is the safe handle. Yeah, other than that, yeah, like I said, spring latch. You press it in, springs open. Close it, close the latch. Yeah, it stays open. And I like the spring latches because when you're doing tricks, they stay out of the way. Wow. Yeah, like I said, these things, they've got an awkward grip. You know, just not as fluent as you would expect a Balisong to be. That's really all I've got to say. But again, the live blade, the latch, definitely a lot firmer. I'm having a hard time opening the spring latch. It's a lot firmer on the one with the blade. And I just want to show you this. Just slide that up. Just goes right through. It's a nice blade. I'm gonna have to do something about the firmness of the latch because it feels way too tight. See, now opening it's just fine when it's closed, but when it's open, feels really firm. That really concludes my review. If you want to get these, you can go on bladecity.com. They have other really great looking knives that are outside of my pay zone. And I just really encourage you to go use Blade City. Use the code CART10 for 10% off your purchase. That's really all I can tell you. I just pinched myself. Not even off the blade. God. It was right in there. I think, no. I don't even know how I did that. Yeah, I was doing the basic open and crush my fingers. I'd say that if you want to get into Balisongs, say definitely start off with a trainer, because these really feel different compared to other Balisongs, you know, the regular straight ones. But they're really great looking knives, and they look really flashy and intimidating. So if you're just going for intimidation, get some flashy like of a CSGO knife. But if you're looking for doing tricks, it might be impressive to do with the CSGO ones, but it's a lot easier to use straight ones. So yeah, that concludes my review. I'd give these 9 out of 10 because they just kind of firm. Yeah, that concludes my my review. Yeah, look at me stuttering over here like an idiot. So yeah, I'm gonna practice using the live blade. God, I really hope I don't cut myself. Remember how it goes. Yeah. Okay. All right. Trying Zen rollout with CSGO knife. I'm gonna practice with the trainer. I really don't feel like cutting my fingers off today. Not bad. Like I said, really smooth, but really firm at the same time. Like, I don't know, it's really great, but really not great. Yeah, look at me. Again, back to the mini knife. Not something I would ever pay money for. But, ow, starting to bleed. The latch is too long. There's wobbling, it just comes right out. It honestly just looks like something that I would scrape my nails with. Like, can't even. got an okay blade for how small it is. Yeah, look at that. With it being open, look at how much space there is between where the latch actually is and where the end of the handle is. It's just, I mean, it's made in China. I don't know if you can see that. So I mean, cheap Chinese building. You know, like I said, it's free with a purchase in Blade City, so it was good. You know, for it being free. Gonna have to label these boxes because there's no distinction on these. It just says made in China, and that's the live blade. I'll put that away. Back to the trainer. Can't even really latch strap right because like handles are uneven. Like, so latch strap is a definite no-no. And I'm sure with how stupid I'm acting with this, if I had the live blade, I would have cut myself several times. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I'd give the trainer and blade set good 9 out of 10, and the free mini blade a 6 out of 10, just because the latch doesn't, you know, really work. Yeah, that's really all I have for this time. The next video I personally am going to be making is either another trick video or another knife review, because I have a sharpener coming in that I got a free mystery knife with, so watch out for that. Bye.